Are you tired of picking a drill for home projects and feeling unsure about what actually works? Relax, we've got you covered with a quick, friendly guide to help you choose the right tool. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill for home use that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DEWALT DCD771C2. From the first feel, this compact drill signals a balance between grip, weight, and versatility, appealing to homeowners tackling furniture assembly and reno tasks. Ideal for DIYers, renters, and weekend warriors who prioritize hassle-free setup, reliable performance, and compatibility with common 20V tool ecosystems. The all-metal chuck and tight 2-speed gearbox convey durability, while a compact form factor reduces fatigue during overhead drilling and long installation sessions. With a compact 7.5-inch head length and balanced weight distribution, the tool feels manageable in tight corners and comfortable when drilling overhead. Ergonomically contoured handle provides solid grip, while compatible 20V max batteries offer modular power, allowing users to mix and match for duration. 2-speed settings, 0-450 and 0-1-1500 RPM, provide controlled driving for wood, plastic, and light metal, reducing cam out and screw damage. 1/2-inch chuck with automatic spindle lock and comfortable keyless operation simplifies bit changes and keeps project flow uninterrupted during assembly. 2 included 20V batteries ensure almost continuous work, though battery life is dependent on task and bit type, with charging times manageable. In practical tests, it handles cabinetry screws and small pilot holes cleanly, with minimal stall and steady torque across common home materials. The trigger delivers smooth progression rather than abrupt bursts, enabling precise depth control and reducing damage when fastening delicate hardwoods. While not a heavy pro grade, its chassis remains rigid under normal DIY loads, and battery storage performance supports predictable, consistent charge levels. Compared to the Makita XFD10R, the DEWALT delivers comparable speed options while feeling lighter to handle, and it often costs less for casual homeowners. The pros include compact design, lightweight feel, and excellent value for a 2-battery drill kit. The cons include no hammer function and brushed motor heat under heavy use. At number 4, we have the DEKOPRO cordless drill. From the moment you unbox, this tool feels like a practical entry point for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners seeking simple drilling and screw driving tasks. Its compact form trades heft for maneuverability with a lightweight chassis, a comfortable grip, and precise balance that reduces fatigue during extended sessions. At just over 3 pounds, it remains highly portable for sealing work in tight corners without compromising handling or control. It's a 20V cordless drill with a 1/2-inch chuck, 2-speed gearbox, variable speed trigger, and LED work light for enhanced visibility. During portable screw driving and light masonry, it delivers consistent torque with minimal stall under standard home tasks, while the clutch provides gradual load control. The battery integrates with a simple press-to-disconnect design, and the grip texture reduces sweating, while the compact motor housing stays cool under moderate use. Charging uses the included charger, delivering a full recharge in about an hour, and the spare battery option helps maintain momentum across multiple projects. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue during overhead tasks and makes one-handed operation feasible for quick hole punching and alignment workflows. Compared to a higher-priced brand's 20V drill, the DEKOPRO delivers similar functionality at a fraction of the cost, albeit with modest durability. The pros include affordable price, compact design, and decent torque. The cons include budget build quality and shorter battery life. Its 1/2-inch chuck accepts a wide range of bits, and the included bit holder keeps essential drivers within reach during dense repair tasks. While the housing feels sturdy for casual use, users should treat it as a value option rather than a heavy-duty professional tool and monitor wear. Clean the vent slots after dusty projects and inspect the chuck periodically to ensure consistent grip and prevent slippage during demanding tasks. Considering price, performance, and simplicity, the DEKOPRO cordless drill offers solid value for home improvement and light construction without overwhelming novices with complex modes. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDC100 VA100. From the moment you hold it, this drill communicates a homeowner-friendly intent, appealing to DIYers seeking reliability without overwhelming complexity. Its 20V max battery platform promises dependable runtime for everyday tasks, while a compact chassis keeps it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The housing feels sturdy despite the budget price, with a reinforced grip area designed to resist fatigue during extended sessions. A practical 2-speed transmission and smooth variable trigger enable confident drilling through wood and plastic, offering control without oversensitivity. Its LED work light brightens the work area and helps maintain accuracy when walls and corners limit visibility during overhead or confined space tasks. In terms of performance, the drill delivers steady torque on light to medium tasks, keeping drills clean and precise in wood and light metal. During real-world testing, it handled cabinet assembly, shelf mounting, and furniture assembly without stalling, showcasing predictable bite and minimal drift. Battery life holds up well for 20 to 30-minute tasks, though longer durability would help for more ambitious projects. Compared to consumer-grade cordless drills in its class, it strikes a balance between price, size, and performance that suits most home users. The overall silhouette remains compact, enabling tight corners and overhead positioning, while the soft grip reduces vibration feel and enhances control during extended sessions. For homeowners already invested in the Black & Decker ecosystem, the BDC120VA100 integrates neatly with other 20V tools and common battery packs. Compared with a mid-range DEWALT 20V drill, the BLACK+DECKER BDC120VA100 feels lighter and easier to maneuver, yet delivers noticeably less torque under heavy load. The pros include lightweight design that reduces fatigue during use, ergonomic grip for comfort during longer tasks, and excellent value-given performance. The cons include limited torque for heavy tasks and average battery life with longer recharge time. At number 2, we have the FADAKWALT cordless drill set. From the first touch, the FADAKWALT cordless drill set signals homeowner-friendly practicality, while hinting at professional potential through its confident balance and accessible controls. Weighing a mere 2.4 pounds, the drill balances ergonomics with stability, enabling comfortable extended use during mid-task sessions. The target audience includes DIY enthusiasts, weekend warriors, apartment dwellers, and small workshop owners seeking a versatile drill without bulky gear or excessive maintenance. The chassis integrates a rigid metal chuck, reinforced housing, and subtle rubberized grips, delivering durable daily use with a reliable 20V battery system. Despite its lightweight feel, the construct communicates reliability through tight tolerances, precise screw threads, and a rugged plastic molding that minimizes creaks during operation. With a compact design and comfortable grip, it reduces fatigue during overhead drilling and eases access in tight corners thanks to a slim profile. The drill ships with a 1.5Ah battery pack and a 24-position clutch that offers measured control across materials. It features a variable speed trigger for precise starts and a no-load speed up to 1500 RPM, enabling fast drilling through wood and plastic. A built-in LED work light illuminates the work area, enhancing accuracy in dim basements or late-night projects without adding appreciable power drain. In practical testing, the FADAKWALT cordless drill set reliably penetrates soft woods and medium-gauge plywood with minimal bit wandering and steady bit retention. The battery life holds up under typical home tasks like furniture assembly or shelf mounting, with a modest recharge time that keeps workflow uninterrupted. During return-to-work cycles, the drill maintains consistent torque and temperature, avoiding overheating that plagues cheaper models under extended driving and boring sessions. When placed against the DEWALT 20V Max drill, the FADAKWALT cordless drill set shows competitive performance with a lighter form factor and easier handling. However, the DEWALT typically outperforms in torque consistency and runtime under heavy drilling, while the FADAKWALT excels in price and ergonomic comfort. For casual home users prioritizing comfort and flexibility, the FADAKWALT cordless drill set offers balanced value and dependable everyday capability. The pros include excellent value, lightweight and balanced, and solid battery life. The cons include limited torque for heavy-duty tasks and average chuck durability. At number 1, we have the DEKOPRO cordless drill set. From the moment you open the DEKOPRO cordless drill set, the unit signals approachable versatility for DIY homeowners and hobbyists tackling basic carpentry. Its compact, pistol grip design, and featherweight profile make it accessible for ceiling projects, overhead work, and extended sessions without fatigue. New homeowners and students will appreciate the included bit set and intuitive clutch positions that minimize back-and-forth tool swapping during projects with the DEKOPRO cordless drill set. Despite its budget price, the housing feels robust with reinforced plastic and metal components, hinting at durability through repeated drill and screw cycles. Dimension-friendly profile measures around 7 inches front to back and weighs roughly 2 pounds, enabling maneuverability in tight cabinets and overhead installations. It uses a keyless chuck with a comfortable trigger, and the 2-speed gearbox covers light driving through wood and plastic with predictable control. The drill delivers up to 350 inch-pounds of torque in high gear and spins from 0 to 450 RPM, adequate for softwood tasks. LED work light illuminates work surface, and the included bit set saves time. It also offers a comfortable variable speed trigger for precision. The kit includes 2 lithium-ion batteries and a compact charger, enabling quick swaps between tasks and reducing downtime by keeping one battery ready. In real-world tests, it drilled pilot holes in pine with ease and handled small deck screws with minimal bit cam out under controlled pressure. The battery kept a steady cadence during multiple holes in softwood, though endurance dipped slightly when awaiting long stints without a break. Even after extended use, the grip remained comfortable, producing little vibration and enabling precise steering when mounting hardware in projects. Compared to the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max drill, the DEKOPRO cordless drill set delivers similar torque in a lighter, more compact package with a cheaper price. The pros include sturdy build quality, great value for money, and a compact and lightweight design. The cons include battery life under heavy use, and charger could be faster.